After my recent video showing budget apartments for rent in Siem Reap, I received quite a few comments asking, can you do the same for Phnom Penh? So in this video, we're taking a look at apartments for rent in Phnom Penh, Cambodia, focusing on places priced between $170 and $400 per month. I've gone through the latest listings to give you a realistic snapshot of the current Phnom Penh rental market so that you can see what's being advertised right now and what kind of value you can expect for your budget. Whether you're planning to move to Phnom Penh as an expat, retire in Cambodia, or you're just comparing the cost of living between Phnom Penh and Siem Reap, this video should give you a useful starting point. The goal here is to do the research and the filtering for you, and if you see something that looks promising, then you can go and view it in person and decide if it's right for you. So let's take a look at what $170 to $400 a month can get you in Phnom Penh. As per usual, we're going to start with the lower end of the budget. This one's $170 a month. This is a studio room in a condo. It's basic, as you can see. It comes fully furnished with everything you see in the pictures. It has free Wi-Fi, an elevator, free motor parking, but that's about it. Still, for $170 a month, I think that's not too bad. Moving on up slightly to $180 a month, you have this studio apartment. It's furnished as much as you can see in the picture. It comes with free Wi-Fi, has a free laundry service upstairs, there's an elevator, free motorbike parking. This apartment is on the first floor, so even if the elevator's not working for any reason, one flight of stairs. Okay, now we're looking at another one-bed studio. It's actually in the same building as the previous listing. It's on the second floor. Price for this one, $220 a month. I assumed a little bit extra is because you've got a little balcony going on there. It's furnished, as you can see in the picture. Elevator access, motor parking. As with all of these, water and electricity, you pay for what you use every month. Moving up now to $240 a month, but staying in the same building and the same floor, floor 2. This one, I'm not quite sure why this is the extra money. It seems to me it might be a corner flat, therefore the balcony might be a bit bigger. Otherwise, I think it's very similar to the last one. Still for $240 a month, what's that, £200 UK? Absolute bargain. You cannot go wrong. Okay, now we're only going up $10 from the previous apartment. We've gone from $240 to $250. Check out the difference. You've got a bedroom, a bathroom, a kitchen, a living room, access to swimming pool and gyms, 24-hour security. There is a small management fee to be paid. You'd have to make sure you check that out before you sign any agreements. But for the extra $10 from the previous one, it's a no-brainer. Who wouldn't want to live here for $250 a month? I certainly would. If your budget can go to $350 a month, look what you can have here. One bedroom, one bathroom, furnished, no management fee. There's a pool, there's a gym, elevator, free parking, Wi-Fi, 24-hour security guard. And I have to say the view from the pool, quite spectacular. Well and truly worth $350 a month. Our final apartment for today takes us up to $450 a month. For this, it's still one bedroom, one bathroom, seating area, balcony. It's a corner unit again, so the balcony is quite large, and the views, as you can see, are absolutely stunning. AC in each of the rooms, free Wi-Fi, room for parking, everything you could want. $450 a month. Not going to break the bank, and what you're getting for your money is very, very good value. So that gives you a clear look at what's currently being advertised in Phnom Penh, and what kind of apartments you can expect to find for the 170 to 450 sort of range. As always, these listings are meant to give you a realistic overview of the rental market in Cambodia's capital. The next step is to visit any place that looks promising, ask questions, and see if it's right for you. If you're comparing Phnom Penh versus Siem Reap, or planning a move to Cambodia as an expat, retiree, or digital nomad, I hope this video has helped you understand the current cost of living and rental prices a bit better. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see this turn into a regular update, or which city or budget range you want me to cover next. If you found this useful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone thinking about living in Cambodia. It really helps the channel grow. And if you'd like to support these videos, there's a Buy Me a Coffee link in the description. It helps me keep bringing you honest, up-to-date content from Cambodia. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I'll see you in the next one.